possible solution to this problem?
What do you think steps are being taken to fix this issue?
How do you think classes?
Possible solution.
Question of inquiry. What factors contribute to the current shortage of Chromebooks at Bernie Samuel V. Champion High School?
And its effects. So where does BISD get their funding from? Is the evident extensive use ethical? So there is state funding, local funding, and property taxes involved. Google, the main company behind the majority of Chromebooks used by students in schools, estimated that the average life of a Chromebook is 4 years. With this in mind, Chromebooks are not designed to last and can be expensive to repair. According to a study done by the US PIRG Education Fund, they estimate that the information technology sector is responsible for about as much greenhouse gas emissions as the airline industry. The 31 million Chromebooks sold globally in the first year of the pandemic represent approximately 8.9 million tons of CO2 emissions. This shows the long-term effects of Chromebooks ending up in landfills and the immense amount of damage they cause to our environment. When funding is put towards Chromebooks, students tend to get better grades and they tend to have more time.
Now this is what teachers have said about this ongoing issue, and this is the extent. As you can see from these teacher report datas, how many additional Chromebooks do teachers need? 50% need 1 to 5 Chromebooks, 25% need 6 to 10, 20% need none, and 5% of classrooms need 25 Chromebooks. How many Chromebooks have experienced issues? 50% have said 1 to 5, 20% have said 6 to 10, 20% have said none, and one teacher said that their Chromebooks get poor Wi-Fi connection, and it varies depending on the day, and it takes a long time for screens to load. And one teacher also said 1 to 5, but they do need to be cleaned on a regular basis.
Most of what they do is on College Board. I have to go kind of hunt down other teachers that have Chromebooks available.
And you know, it always takes time if you're short on computers to go find another computer to get them logged in, then you're just taking time away from class.
Now here are some of the growing concerns sparked by students at CHS. Two students, Kathy and Morgan, emphasized that the lack of Chromebooks significantly hinders students' ability to work efficiently and absorb information from their instructors. When classes are disrupted due to technology shortages, students struggle to keep up with lessons, take notes, and engage in interactive activities. This not only affects their academic performance, but also diminishes their overall learning experience, leaving them feeling frustrated and disengaged. They believe that addressing this issue is crucial for fostering a more effective and inclusive learning environment.
Possible reasons. What may cause this? Uneven funding, distribution of Chromebooks, technology upgrades, and increased demand for Chromebooks. Or is the increasing price and decreasing quality of Chromebooks?
A statistical analysis. The results shown here are of a survey conducted to analyze the shortage of Chromebooks at CHS. Highlighted here are some main stats that we can take out from this survey, with some main ones being 50% of the teachers surveyed saying they have a shortage of 1 Chromebook in their classes. Displayed here are the average issue stats collected from teachers, with the main issue being more students than available Chromebooks. The numbers here are often very similar in many classes.
What did we find through our research? The amount of funding. An important aspect to consider when trying to understand the shortage of Chromebooks is the amount of funding given to Chromebooks. Furthermore, the effect it has on the environment should also be. Effects on education. Students are not able to receive the same quality of education. Teachers are limited to options as the shortage continues to be a problem. What can be done? The district can put more funding towards Chromebooks and try to find ways to increase their average lifespan. This may be through changing the brand of Chromebooks or addressing the concern to more students.